What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades based on candlestick psychology. Without further ado, let's get it started. I'm gonna add some pairs first. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's on 2 minutes. I have to be careful about this trade time because sometimes it just changes. And okay, we have a nice momentum to the upside, and now it's coming down. Okay, and for this one is also a downtrend. This is an engulfing pattern, and yeah, I'm gonna just check the OTC as well because sometimes it's pretty good market. Okay. The good thing about OTC is never changes this to 2 minutes. Okay, I can go with sellers here. Let's go. Okay. The reason why I go with sellers here is because first reason is this trend. Okay, we have this pretty strong downtrend, so it's pretty good to go with sellers. And if you look, there's a pattern which called dark cloud cover, and then we have continuation sign. So you know that this pin bar here, it's a continuation sign, and also there's a gap to this level, so we can go with sellers, and there's just too many reasons to go with sellers. And yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, there's a trend line. This candle closed right on this trend line. There's a level, so the market is ranging between two levels, between this level and this. It's making two green candles in the next, two red candles in the next green candle. Okay, so I probably go with buyers after this candle. But I will go with marginal safety because if you look closer, pretty much every candlestick has a shadow, so I will go with marginal safety here with buyers. And yeah, this is a pretty strong downtrend, but we have a level here which previously rejected, and yeah. And if you look, there's two red candle, then green candles, two red candle, so it can be green candle, so pattern is also included. Okay, this is strong. You see this area is confluence of two levels, so it's pretty strong. If this candle goes up like crazy, I can go with sellers. Okay, we have this level here. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this candle closed exactly on this moving average, and if we check the past of the market, you will see that we have a level here. Yeah, it respected to this level pretty much a couple of times. Yo, what is happening, bro? Bro, where is the... Okay, the hell? Okay, so it's bounced up from this level, but I'm not sure it's gonna give me a retracement or it's just gonna continue because we have this level and there's a gap, but um, it's risky, so I will wait for the next candle. And here, okay, I'm gonna just look for. Okay, again we have a dark cloud cover, but this is uptrend, so I'm not gonna go against the trend. Okay. There's a level here, so I can go with buyers if this candle reaches somewhere here because I want to enter. Yeah, it's already going up. I want to go with sellers here because um, we have a downtrend and we convert this minor trend to a ranging market. Okay, and in this range I see buyers strength at first two candles, but then I see that this candle is pretty weak. So I assume that buyers are pretty weak here. Yeah, that's how I thought my thought process behind this trade. Still, we are with the trend. So let's see. Okay. So the price is ranging in these two areas. I'm gonna highlight them. Okay, I go with sellers here because um, it seems this is exhaustion candle, and also we break this level with less than 50% of the candle, so this might be a retracement. Okay, there we go. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the live trades. That was pretty awesome live trades, I'm not gonna lie. If you enjoyed the live trades, drop a like for me, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out my other live trading sessions. Thank you for watching. Peace out.